G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here. Hey, coming to you from Sorrento. It's the heart of southern Italy. I have a great love affair with Sorrento, including the Sorrento moves. Anyway, we're down in Italy here, touring around on our way up the coast to go to the Egypt show in Rimini. The biggest ice cream trade show in the country, in the world perhaps. But I did want to just talk a little bit about Sorrento and this southern region here being the home of citrus, the home of limoncello. You can walk the old streets here and get limoncello and lemon candies and lemon biscuits. It's quite amazing. I did want to show you a little bit of an amazing experience I had with a hybrid lemon and orange tree. Come with me for just a minute. You could really do yourself a favor by coming to Egypt, but taking, I don't know, 4 or 5 days on the way and stopping at some of these other places in and around Italy. This year we've decided to do the Amalfi Coast, which is fabulous. So the upside of doing Italy in January is that there's hardly anybody around. You can go and see all of the attractions and do all the things you want to with pretty well no crowds, long lines. Downside is a little cold, a little rainy. I was inspired, funnily enough, by walking through the parking lot of the Hotel Gardenia. If you're ever in Sorrento, stay at the Hotel Gardenia. You tell Tony that I said hello. So while we're parking, I'm looking at these very peculiar citrus trees. One tree, two fruits. Unbelievable. Here is one tree that has lemons and oranges at the same time. I still don't understand how it's done. It's a modern miracle of hybrid technology, hybrid flavoring. One tree, two fruits. Here's another one, probably a better example. Look, I've never seen it before. My wife has. Maybe I'm just uncultured. But one thing it did inspire me to do is consider, in the ice cream business, we're always trying to reevaluate and remake flavors. What is the flavor that we're going to make today? How can we make something that's honestly unique? And there's honestly a great principle that some flavors showcase it, but these trees certainly showcase it, is that you've more than likely got flavors already in your display case or on your flavor roster that you can combine to make a hybrid flavor. I know back in the US, I've got a packet of Tic Tacs on my desk for highlighting this exact same principle. It's a citrus flavor or a citrus explosion or whatever it is. I'll have Madeline kind of do an overlay here while I'm talking. And it's no more than just combining pineapple, orange, and lemon Tic Tacs into the one flavor. So what you're basically doing is taking things that you already have and mixing them so that they come up with a unique combination or a hybrid flavor. And I think that's something that we can do a little bit more. Now in the industry, we have Superman and we have some of these other flavors. Black raspberry cheesecake we do at class all the time, which is a hybrid of flavors. But rather than go crazy and trying to introduce your own flavors or come up with new unique flavors, take a tip from this hybrid tree here and perhaps combine flavors so that you're not reinventing the wheel. You're just basically, adding 2 or 3 wheels together. Anyway, that's all we have for this video. Look, we've got tons of videos coming up on our way up to Rimini and of course at the show. So tune in, subscribe, love to hear your comments. If you've been to Rimini before, share some of your experiences. Honestly, the country here is absolutely amazing. So we are enjoying what is all to be had in Italy and southern Italy, and then very much looking forward to all that's to be had at Egypt, the biggest ice cream show in the world. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.